So, I just got home from work. And hindi ko na panindigan yung pag-vlog ko kasi bukod sa may sakit ako, dapat nasa good mood ka whenever you decide to film. But, I couldn't hate this day. But anyways, I got home of paano ko lang ulit mag-vlog. Hindi ko alam kung para kanino ko ito ginagawa. Kasi wala naman talagang exciting na ganap bukod sa mga work events, which also I cannot show you kasi bawal kami mag-film. Siguro I'll just vlog my boring days para, you know, parang dito ng mga anak namin ni Harold kapag mga anak.
Yung isa dito sa paganyan, sa kanan.
Color corrector. I-brief ko kayo. Kasama kayo. Today, we are going to have a makeup workshop for Happy Skin. If you bought 5,000 worth of products from their store, you'll be able to join the Book Nook Happy Skin Makeup Workshop. So, sa Book Nook ng The Podium gaganapin, super thankful ako sa teammates ko because I get to experience these kind of events as well. So, I've been struggling with acne and hindi na siya nawala-wala, pero I think we'll get there. So, ang problem ko lang later, okay lang naman sa akin ng bare face. So, right now, I'm just doing light makeup kasi sabi nila, okay lang pumasok ka with light makeup at least. Parang gusto ko mag-blush, pero tatanggalin din kasi. So, litin na lang. Let's go! Outfit! Bag!
Eyes. Kasi diba sabi nga nila, your eyes is the window of your soul. So,
Alam mo siguro maayos na. Dito pa yan, pre.
Coffee check. that pretty much sums up my week. Gusto ko lang talagang gawin digital diary. Itong YouTube. Gusto ko rin every end of the video, meron ako na i-share na take away about my week, about, you know, life in general. Pero wala sa ngayon. I just wanna share that I'm still struggling with my acne dahil napakadami na naman. Like, nothing is working. Also, my body, like, ang dami-daming tao nagsasabi pa rin ng unnecessary comments. Like, bitch, shut the fuck. Taba mo, dami mong pimples. Like, hindi naman kailangan marinig yan. Okay, sana talaga ma-clear out na to. Diba? Para wala na masabi mga pakit na taong yun. At the same time, sana makapag-create pa ako ng more content. Yun lang. Thank you for watching.